Here are 5 things you didn't know about how Paris of Epirus won himself to death. First, he lost 75% of his elite forces while technically winning against Rome. His victories were so costly that Pyrrhic victory became synonymous with devastating success. Second, his war elephants terrorized Roman legions but were impossible to replace. These massive beasts trampled through enemy lines, but each dead elephant meant irreplaceable military power lost forever. Third, every battle bankrupted his kingdom further. Gold poured out faster than blood, funding armies that grew smaller with each triumph. Fourth, his obsession with tactical perfection blinded him to strategic consequences. He won battles brilliantly but couldn't capitalize because his decimated forces were too weak to pursue fleeing enemies. Fifth, this string of hollow victories left him so pathetic that he died in street fighting. In Argos, an old woman killed the once mighty king with a roof tile thrown from above. Military genius without strategic thinking leads to spectacular self-destruction.